One thing I did want to show you guys, which was really good information on this extension, if you are using it, there is a section here for C examples and also video tutorials, and they show some really good examples. It'll bring up a different. Oh, actually, it's showing I've got a pop-up blocker here. Hang on. Always allow. Try that again. Extension. Video tutorials, and then also extension C examples. So in the C examples piece, and I guess it would probably help if I had, it actually shows you kind of what each of the different commands actually do and when you would use them. So the GPT one is the very basic one, and then you can use some different parameters and stuff on there. There is the GPT list, which will let you take something and put it as a list. So it'll actually fill in multiple cells of information with lists of things. There's one that lets you do some editing of text. So I forget what this one actually does. Anyway, the video will show you all the different possibilities of what this was. And last night, whenever we were in that, we were doing that one, and it, I think it was, maybe it was the edit one. Maybe that's, no, extract or translate. Translate. That was the one that we were using. It basically went in there and gave me what I needed just to do the setup. But the videos, they've got lots and lots of videos that'll just take you through, and they're short videos for different types of things. So if you're having struggles doing something specific with that add-on, go through some of these videos, because it may be just that you need to use a different command than just the plain equal GPT. Maybe you need to use something else. They do have this this video about the tokenization. When I started, well, turn that down. Get off of this. Basically, the tokenization stuff. It goes in and it talks about how words are broken up. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Okay, like right here. If you type in something, you can use the tokenizer, which I've got that in the documentation link. And you can put in your prompt, and then you can see how it breaks it up by tokens. And each token then, is charged by tokens, the number of tokens per 1,000. And that way you can see how things are tokenized. It's really technical and probably don't even care about it, but it's there if you want it. It's kind of neat to know. At least it's neat to me. But how to use the translate, how to use some of the other features that are in there, even the mapping, how to map things. So lots of good content and stuff. And all you do is go into extensions and then go through the different things that you want.